Oh my God.
Most new plant owners don't know this, and that's why the plants die. Hello everyone, I'm here and I'm the garden center owner. Welcome to my channel. And today we are diving into a challenge that almost every new plant owner faces, keeping the plants alive. Have you ever bought home gorgeous plants only to watch it wither and die within weeks? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. I've been there too. When I first started collecting plants, I thought I was doing everything right, but my plants just wouldn't make it. It was frustrating and heartening. But over time, I learned from my mistakes, and now I want to help you avoid those same pitfalls. By the end of this video, you will understand the common mistakes that kill plants and learn how to care for them properly. Stick around because I'm saving the most important tip for last. So let's talk about the common mistakes that kill plants. Number one, overwatering or underwatering. Overwatering is one of the biggest mistakes. Many people think more water equals a healthier plant, but it often leads to root rot because the soil stays too wet and the roots can't breathe. So the signs of overwatering, you can see yellowing leaves, a strong musty smell from the soil. I once loved my monstera so much that I watered it almost daily, and within weeks the leaves started yellowing and the root turned to mud. It was heartbreaking. And another mistake, underwatering. On the flip side, underwatering deprives your plant of the moisture it needs, especially during hot months or in air-conditioned spaces. Signs of underwatering: brown, creepy edges on leaves, soil that looks cracked and dry. So, how to fix this issue? Let the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out before watering. You can check this using your finger or a wooden stick. If it's still damp, don't water yet. You can research your plant's specific water needs. Like succulent need far less water than ferns, for example. And number 2, the mistake is like placing plant in wrong spot. This called lack of light. Plants need light to photosynthesize, which is how they make food. Without enough light, they will weaken and struggle to grow. So the size is like pale, smaller leaves or long, leggy stems. The plants get too much light. Some plants, like ferns, can't handle direct sunlight. It scorches the leaves, and you can realize the size of them is like brown, creepy spots on leaves. So to fix this problem, learn your plant light requirement. For example, peace lilies, pothos, like bright, indirect light. Cacti and succulent, like direct sunlight or bright light. Use shears curtains to filter intense light or move the plant close windows if they are not getting enough. And number 3 mistake common is that not understanding your plant needs. Every plant is different. Some need more water, some thrive in humidity, and others require specific soil types. But many new plant owners buy plants based solely on appearance of trendiness without knowing how to care for them. Like me, I bought a beautiful fern because I loved its nice leaves, but didn't realize it needed high humidity. Keeping it in an air-conditioned room was that sentence. It dries out in no time. So how to fix it? You should buy plants from a store with knowledgeable staff who can advise you how to properly care for them. And you can research before buying, or join online plant communities for advice. And now the important part, pro tips for thriving plants. Use the right soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy plant. For most plants, you need soil that's airy, drains well, and retain just enough moisture. You can make your own by combining potting soil with perlite or sand. And another thing, fertilize smartly. Feed your plants regular, but don't overdo it. Too much fertilizer can burn the root. Look for slow release or organic option, and always follow the recommended amount. And build a connection with your plant. You spend time observing your plants daily. Notice the color of the leaves, the texture of the soil, and any new growth. These simple habits will help you catch issues early and deepen your connection with them. And to sum it up, watering correctly, finding the right spot, and understanding your plant needs are the key to success. These small adjustments can make a world of difference. And taking care of plants doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a bit of knowledge and consistency, you will see your plant thrive, and the joy they bring is unmatched. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, share it with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe to my channel for more tips. And don't forget, leave a comment below about your plant struggles or success stories. I love to hear from you. Bye for now.